Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're doing good. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. My name is Cynthia. If you're here for the first time, you're welcome to the family, and for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome. Please guys, subscribe to my channel if you've not done that, and you can also follow us on our Facebook group at Cynthia's Fashion House. So let's get started. In today's video, we're going to be making this poncho. You can pair it with a trouser. You can also wear it like that on its own. I'll be using 2.5 yards of African print for this video. We won't be needing much measurement for this tutorial. I'm turning it to the wrong side. I will fold my fabric into two. I'm folding it this way. If you like, you can fold it the other way. Why I'm folding it this way? Because this will be enough for the measurement I'm looking for. So I fold it into two. I will fold it again. Now it's folded into 4. So I'll be cutting out the shoulder and the sleeve together. I will measure right from my center back all the way to where I want the sleeve to be. Or you measure it right from here, where you want the sleeve to be, and then take it across to the other side. For this tutorial, I'll be using 45 inches for the front and 45 inches for the back. So this is fine by me. So that's the main reason I folded it this way. But if you're using more than 45 inches, you will fold it this way. You will add to it and then fold it like so and fold it again. So for this one, I will fold it like this because it's up to the measurement I'm working with. So fold our fabric into 4. So we have roughly 22.5 inches. When you fold it into 4, you have 22.5 inches here. The length of my poncho is 36 inches plus sewing allowance. I will input the neckline measurement. So I'll be using 3.5 inches for the neck width. If you think 3.5 inches is too small, you can use 4 inches, depending on how small or big the person's head is. So, because you know there is no zip on this dress, so it can penetrate through the head easily. So I'll be using 3.5 inches for the width. I'll use 1.5 inches for the back depth. Then for the front one, I'm making a V neckline. I'll use 7 inches for the front depth. I'm making a V neckline. This is the back neckline. So for the front one, I will connect it right from here. I will go to the ends here and mark 1.5 inches for shoulder slope. I will connect the shoulder slope to the neckline. So right from the shoulder slope here, I will take the arm opening. So I'm taking 11 inches. I want it a bit wide. You can notch here. So that's just it for the measurement. I will go ahead and cut out the back neckline. the back neckline out of the way and cut out to the front one. I'll cut out the front neckline. That's just it for the cutting, so we'll go ahead and join them together. I'll open up the front and the back, lay them against each other, right side facing each other. So I want to join the shoulders first before cutting out the facing. I will use half inch to join the shoulders. I will sew it here and here. So guys, I'm done joining the shoulders. What we are going to do next is to cut out the facing. I will use the neckline to cut out the facing. So I'll open it up like so. I'll open it like so. So this is the back side and this is the front side. This is my facing. So I will use this to trace out the neckline. So 14 inches is the length and the wideness is 13 inches. I will fold it into two. So I will place it underneath the poncho. I will use this to trace it out. And cut it out. So the back is round neck and the front is V-neck. So if you like, you can make a curve here, make it round. If you like, you can leave it like that. So when you open it up, you have something like this. I'll use half inch to hem this side, this side, this side, this side, and the other side. So open up the poncho. So this is my facing. I'll make sure right side are facing each other. I'll use half inch to sew it around. So guys, I finished sewing the facing. I will make a notch round. So I will take it to the wrong side. I stitch it right from the right side and I'm turning it inside. So make sure you give it a good press so that it will lay flat. If you like, you can add light interface into the facing, but I don't want to add interface into it. So that's it for the neckline. So what we are going to do next is to hem the side and the bottom of the poncho. So this is my arm opening, 11 inches. I made a notch here. I will sew it right from here. I'll use 1 inch to sew it right from here all the way to the bottom. If you like, you can hem this side and sew it right from the outside. But I'm sewing this right from the inside. I'll use 1 inch to sew it here. And use 1 inch to sew this other side. After I've done that, I will hem the bottom. I will use 1 inch to hem the bottom. I will take a 1/4 of an inch twice and then hem it round. I'm done hemming the side and I've also hemmed the bottom. So we'll go ahead and hem the sleeve. Then we are done. I will use 1 inch to hem the sleeve or arm opening. I will take 1/2 inch twice and hem it round. I will do the same thing for the other side. So guys, this is the finished look of our poncho. This is the arm opening. So this is the back. That's it for today. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next one. Please subscribe to my channel, and if you like my tutorial, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. I will see you guys in my next one. Love you all. Bye.